it's Happy Wednesday, Happy Hump Day. Is that copper on the back? I saw that out of the corner of my eye. Table can go. Those are clean. The wheels go over there.
No, I'm keeping the wheels.
Huh? Oh, you're keeping the wheels? $30. Spacer. Yep, water pump. That's good. That's so many spacers. That's it, finito. Finito. Whoop. And the pots. This is clean. He's gonna go out there. This changes his weight. Nope. Alex. Hey. Hey. It didn't change your weight. $95. What's that, 95?
Yeah, we're going to do that.
Alright, ready to take the bale out. I wish they hadn't have thrown up my pile, because now it's on everything. I know they're only trying to help. I'll show you here in a second. I was gonna hop in the baler, but I haven't done it yet. with everything. It gets challenging, I will say that. Not stressful, but just challenging. What's stressful is when you have like 10 customers lined up and they're all watching you. That's when it gets a little stressful. You get used to it. That's Jill. Yes, Jill. Clean aluminum? Yep. Yeah, because I took all the other stuff off when he came up. Oh. Yep, clean aluminum. Yep. Bye. More of this. Okay, I gotta take that out first, and then I can bring it out to you.
Okay.
Unless you're allowed to use the forklift.
Look, I don't even know. I was hired as an equipment operator, so.
There you go. Manny's forklift should be over there.
Yeah, but he's got it taken apart, locked in with the shear.
Okay.
I guess they're trying to, the swing motor fucking shear the pin off.
Yeah, it does that all the time. All right, so I'll take that out and I'll fill them up and then I'll come out to you. What, like 3-4 bags?
10 bags.
10 bags, ouch. Okay.
Just to have them back there, you know what I mean?
Yep.
I just used fucking 2 of them on one of the buses we took apart.
Okay, I'll take care of it. Get that little radiator right there. All right. Then they threw up the pile. It's like, damn it, man. But I'm gonna crush some of it, so we'll just give him all that plate. That'll keep him busy. Go take this out. Go on an adventure. Hey, after I'm done with this, can you get a pallet and 10 bags of Speedy Dry?
No, I was talking to Dad about it.
Check it. 3. Trace. Not too bad. Bueno. Well, 4 or 5. I got it. Eh. Dialer. What did I just hit? Okay. See that one? 5. That was stainless, so that would have passed. Nope. I think that's it. All right. Bueno. Bueno. Let me go. You can always miss one. Trust me, you can always miss one. Uh-oh. Go again. Hello? Yes. What? Yep. Probably heavy irony. Yeah. You want to throw it on the ground? Throw it on the ground? No. Now I got a customer here. I'm trying to unload an engine out of the back of a car. It's all right. It's all right. Yep, yep. All right, bye. I sent to you? You did it in your name last time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. It's 305 pounds, 305. All right, 67 bucks. I hate how slow she is. But it does the job. Come on. All that to bail. You may have to bail this twice. We'll see. Because it is bigger than the box. See, whenever I get in here, somebody has to come and like just like interrupt. Let's see if it's going to stall on me. Fingers crossed. I got all that to do. I can hear it. I can feel it. She's bailing. Come on, girl. Don't stall. Don't stall. the machine, but I got a lot to do. That's why I can't do it right now. Yep. Sure. Light out there today, huh? What? It's light out there.
Yeah. Plus, I had to leave because my AC broke.
At your house?
It's been
At your house or the rental?
The rental.
Oh, well, you don't have to pay for that.
Yeah, but it's still a pain. Who's that?
A Drake May, 1 of 1.
Ah, 1 of 1. What do you mean 1 of 1?
It's the only one, 1 of 1. They make numbered cards.
That's, that's the only card they have like that?
Yep.
What do you pay for that?
$50 off Mikey.
Hey Logan, I need you to get this tow truck unloaded.
2.
That's gonna be a pretty good deal if he actually.
If he comes.
That'd be amazing.
Yeah.
You got a chance. You just never know. As long as he stays healthy.
It's just the right coach, the right offensive coordinator. This is from a subscriber.
What wears a coat in the winter and pants all summer?
What wears a coat in the winter and pants? I'm gonna say like a bear.
A dog.
A dog. How did the STD escape the hospital?
Hey, what?
How did the STD escape the hospital?
In someone's pants?
On crotches.
On crotches.
Did anybody say anything about the jokes yesterday?
Not that I've seen yet. Not that I've read.
So that's good.
Comments.
See,
Yeah.
that's good. So we can push the boundaries a little bit.
I'll let you push the boundaries.
Yeah, I didn't look at it
graces.
today. I didn't look today.
Why are Saturday and Sunday so strong?
I don't know.
Because the rest are weekdays.
Weekdays. What would we get if we threw all the books into the ocean?
They'd be waterlogged?
A tidal wave.
A tidal wave. Oh,
I know, we're getting to the ones here that are just so bad.
so bad.
Oh,
I'm
so
trying to
cheap.
stay away from the super long ones. What do you call 2 spiders who just got married?
Yeah, you got me.
Newlyweds.
Newlyweds. What do you call a liar on the phone?
A liar.
A telephony.
A telephone.
Wah, 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 wah.
Man.
It's always on that side.
I know.
You
I
forget.
got some aluminum.
You forget, huh? Oh, those?
Yeah.
Let's do all that stuff
Do that
first.
first?
Because that's going to fill up the bin.
Okay. Gotcha.
This is your only heavy ironing, or do we have AC compressors? Do you take lunch? You never stop and get something to eat on?
I'll grab 7-Eleven once in a while.
This one's aluminum.
I think the top
That's steel.
one, the back one, and the blue.
This one? Yep. Yep. Yep.
3 of them. Alright, what do you want to do?
Go have a beer?
Yeah.
How's that sound?
Yeah, you know.
Well, you don't drink, so. We'll start with heavy. Heavy, heavy. This guy. That go. Yeah.
Should I take the brass off?
No.
No?
Do you have time? Do you have time to take the...
nothing but time. Heck no, I ain't got time.
Yeah. Throttle body, that's all. That one will go. You gonna load it? Be careful. It's heavy.
Oh.
Yeah, that goes in the trailer.
No way.
I already did. That water pump.
Which one?
Yeah. Water pump. Yep. Pump. Water pump. That one will go, yeah.
What do you get anything?
Coil packs, motor. I guess so. Yeah. Yep. All right. Yep. Pretty sure that's steel. Yep. I love that magnet. My magnet. Everyone knows it's there. Clean. That's clean. You can talk to your smartwatch? I never knew that. I always thought that was used just for texting. I did not know you could talk to a smartwatch. I just learned something. This, you said this is gray one, right?
The gray one, yep, underneath.
Yeah, it's not this guy, right? No, it's this one. That one's clean. Almost, yeah, it's about 98% clean. Yep. That fender should be clean. Oh, you'll be back after for the transmission and stuff, right?
For what?
For the transmission that's down there?
It's clean too.
That one?
Yeah, it's not heavy.
Somebody had a... Oh, I wonder what happened there. No, I wonder what happened. empty? The transmission? Or is it full?
It doesn't weigh anything. So how would you
Light
know?
irony, just light. Unless you want to clean it.
Nope.
Light irony. I think that's about it. Oh, clean aluminum down here. $90, Kevin. So far. That looks like breaking a whole city right there. Baling twice, and then it'll be perfect. You know? That's just not efficient. I usually wait till I have about four bales, which should probably be one in this. This is a big brother. Where are we going to? 1800? Yeah, because then it won't like it. I'm not doing that. That's all good. Yeah. I will respectfully decline, sir. Cast iron engine blocks. trying to smash the bin down for him, and he said to bring some more in. So I'm like, okay. I made 4 bales in the crusher. He's a worker, that's for sure. That thing was stuck to the claw. I could not get it off. I'm looking for some pistons. Frank, that's not a piston. Magnet's right there on the thing right there. Yep. Oh, excuse me. Heavy irony?
I got these.
Yeah.
And those.
Heavy irony. Part of it. Yep.
You have aluminum, right?
Yep. That was part of a distributor.
Yeah.
I need. I hear your phone. It sounds like Pac-Man. Is that Pac-Man?
Tell me how to take my medicine.
Huh?
Tell me how to take my medicine. I'm supposed to take my insulin. This doesn't stick either.
Yeah, that can go. Yeah, that'll go.
It's heavy.
That's light. That'll go light. That'll go light. That's heavy. That'll go all heavy. Let me see. Light's like 90% clean, so that's not. Yeah, let me zero that. Water. Next up, clean this mess. I'm talking to myself. I gotta clean up that mess next. 73. It never stops, Frank. Yeah. Scrap just never stops. Throw it in if you want. Yeah. $253. Okay. All together. Thank you, Frank. Whew.
Aaron screaming at you?
No, I didn't hear Chris. Yeah, I was just trying to figure out which pallet it was he's taking. I'm gonna go feed my new friend. Yeah. His dog. Where'd she go? Where's my new friend? Ooh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, the babies. Oh, they're good girls. Yeah, oh, they're good girls. Yeah, before you'd bite me. But now you get treats. I made a friend, huh? Good girl.
I got one complaint.
No, I probably have to zero it. This one, this guy. 23 pounds. 23 pounds. No, I just did that as heavy. 23, right? When are you going to bring the rock star out? Roxanne, the rock star. The rock star.
I tried to get her to come out today.
She don't want to come, huh?
She's like, nah, I'll stay here in the air.
Be careful, she might bite you. Yeah, she might bite you.
Hey, look what I got.
What, brass?
Yep.
Here, wait.
The grinder. I know what that is. What's that? She tried.
That was the first time you
Clean. That's clean, right?
A pound and a pound.
2 more pounds.
They
don't go there, though, right?
No. You can put it in that one.
Leave it there?
You're fine, yeah.
Alright, I got wire.
Yeah, go for it.
The yellow bin of clip is getting
I know. Oh, electric motors. 6 pounds. 114, sir. 114. What?
For the bottom of the stand.
No. What's that? Hold on. What is that?
Battery charger?
Oh, no. We doing wire first?
Yeah, I got another bag.
Man, that's a long HDMI cable. Holy cow. How's my cat doing?
Loud.
Loud?
Yeah.
Meow?
Meow.
He's vocal, isn't he, right? Huh?
Sounds like a helicopter.
Is he vocal? He purrs like a pigeon. It sounds just like a pigeon. What'd you do, Jacob?
I dropped 2 things that ate that. Oh, man. Hold that. I get grab. Look at that, I'm dropping.
Hey, grab my, hey, no, look.
Wait, I'm already here.
Okay, Jacob in the bin.
I didn't know all this was at the bottom.
Why don't you use your snips right there and just cut the transformers for...
Where are they?
I know.
Because I am them for you.
They're on the ground. Two for two.
That would be my like the bottom of the can.
3 for 3. 4 for 4.
Oh, that's a smoker control. I'll take that. Or fog machine.
5 for 4.
Last piece.
That one missed. Damn, I was like 5 for 6. 6 for 7. 6 for 7. And look, I got this mess cleaned up too, finally. Yeah, your snips are right down there. I like my snips. Well.
Down that whole bag.
What about them breakers?
What?
Breakers on my wire. Them ain't shit, are they?
Breakers?
Yeah.
You gotta cut them off.
I can still sell them to you?
You got them picking on that motor.
Yep, I got 4 of them out because I got the block to spin. I got the crank to spin. The only thing, if you could do real quick, take the flywheel off.
Oh, it's easy.
No, no, it's just 6 bolts.
You're already holding it, so.
Yeah, and it just goes right here. What else we doing, Jacob?
It stays right here. Hello?
You should look up a cartoon called Jen and the Rockers from the 80s. She had a big star on her face. You should look it up.
Yeah, give me a second and then I'll cut it out.
Hold on.
Right back.
Hold on, Jacob. Jacob.
All right, wait. Yeah, Charles wanted started his cutting war, but I'm in a middle of recording, so I got
No swearing.
Well, we've been friends since elementary school, and when we call each other, we call
Yeah. Yep.
Did you already put in the wire?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I can add more. I can add to it. 65.
That should be it.
I can add to it. It's not hard.
It's only 0.4.
Oh, yeah, well, that's not going to change it.
Yeah, I mean, if it was already...
Six. And I'm gonna say that's probably about it. 107. Light. Light. Right. Yep.
Light.
Yeah.
Only thing I'm not turning in probably won't for a while is copper.
Is the chairs.
Well, yeah, I gotta break those down. What about that door?
You gotta take the glass off. Yep. I can't do it. Nope.
Jesse said you can have this Red Bull fridge. This chair.
That goes heavy.
Heavy.
Yep.
Yep. I gotta cut up a lot of stuff there.
They just said that on Snapchat the shredder that we send to is on fire right now.
I was just talking about that because I skipped a Christmas tree because those shredders catch on fire with Christmas trees too.
With a little bit of plastic? No, this is probably something that had a bunch of gas, caused an explosion, and that's why.
That's a big fire.
Yeah.
All right, onward.
Yeah, when they say that the shredder's on fire, then the shredder's on fire. 109. It's towards the end. This is the last one of the day. She's at the end of her cycle.